Good morning, students. Today our topic is quadratic equation. Before going to this chapter quadratic equation, we just recollect few points what we learned in the previous class 9 in the chapter polynomial. Polynomials, we have linear polynomial 5x plus 6. Here degree of the polynomial is 1. Quadratic polynomial 5x square plus 6x plus 3. Here degree of the polynomial is 2. Cubic polynomial 5x cube plus 6x square plus 3x plus 7. Here degree of the polynomial is 3. Quadratic equation. Quadratic, the name quadratic comes from quad, meaning is square, because the variable get squared. It is also called an equation of degree 2. Standard form of quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. In case a is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation will become linear equation, where x is the variable are unknown. Just we go through the few examples. First one, 2x square plus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 3. Second case, x square minus 3x equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 0. Third case, 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Here x square term is not there. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Hidden quadratic equation. As we saw before, the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In sometimes, a quadratic equation does not look like that. See few examples. 2 into x square minus 2x is equal to 5. In this case, just multiply 2x square minus 4x is equal to 5. Here 2x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, which is an quadratic equation. One more case, x into x minus 1 is equal to 3. Here when we are multiplying, x square minus x minus 3 is equal to 0, which is an quadratic equation. Now we will start exercise 4.1. Check whether the following is an quadratic equation. First sum, x square plus 1 the whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Here it looks like a plus x plus 1 the whole square, which is nothing but a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So just expand this x plus 1 the whole square. We will get x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to, here we are multiplying 2x minus 6. Now bring all these terms to this side. So we will get x square plus 2x plus 1. When I am bringing this 2x to this side, it will become minus 2x. This minus 6 when I am bringing to here, plus 6 is equal to 0. X square, this 2x minus 2x will become 0x. This 1 and 6 will become 7 equal to 0. Now we have x square plus 7 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Second sum, x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Here x square minus 2x, which is equal to minus 6 minus and minus, so it is plus 2x. We will get x square minus 2x. Bring this minus 6 to this side, we will get plus 6 plus 2x. When I am bringing to this side, it is minus 2x is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Again, which is a quadratic equation. Third sum, x minus 2, x plus 1 equal to x minus 1, x plus 3. Now just we are multiplying x into this entire term x plus 1 minus 2 into this entire term x plus 1 equal to x into this entire term x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3. Now again multiplying x into x square, and this is x minus 2x minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 equal to x into x square, x into 3 3x minus 1 into x minus 1 into plus 3 minus 3. Now simplifying x square, this x and 2x will give you minus x minus 2 equal to x square, this 3x and minus x will give you 2x minus 3. Now bring all these from the right hand side to left hand side. X square minus x minus 2, this will become minus x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Now one is plus x square, another is minus x square, so we can cancel. Rest of the term is minus x minus 2x, it is minus 3x. Here minus 2 plus 3, when I am solving plus 1 equal to 0. In this case, x square term is not there. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Now, sum number 4. X plus 2 the whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. We know that a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. See the question, it looks like a plus b the whole cube. So just expanding this, x cube plus 3x square into 2 plus 3x 2 square plus 2 cube is equal to, multiply here, 2x into x square 2x cube, 2x into minus 1 minus 2. Now x cube, just multiply 3 into 2 6x square. Here 2 square is nothing but a 4. 4 into 3 12x. 2 cube is nothing but 8 equal to 2x cube minus 2x. X cube plus a 6x square 12x plus 8. Bring this to this side, minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Now here x cube is there, here minus 2x cube is there. So just we are solving this minus x cube, 6x square. See here 12x, here 2x is there. Just add, we will get 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. Here we are getting the cubic term. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Next, sum number 8. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 the whole cube. Again here it looks like a minus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So expand this, we will get x cube minus 3x square into 2 plus 3x 2 square minus 8. Now simplifying this side only, x cube minus 3 into 2 6x square. Here 2 square 4. 4 into 3 12x minus 8. Bring all the terms to this side. We will get minus x cube plus 6x square minus 12x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now simplify. Here x cube minus x cube. So we can cancel. 4x square, 6x square. So when we are simplifying 2x square, here minus x, here minus 12x. When we are simplifying 13x, here 1 is there, here 8. When we are adding plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. I am giving few sums as homework. Please students try to do the homeworks then and there itself. Fourth subdivision, x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equal to x into x plus 5. Fifth sum, 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to x plus 5 x minus 1. Next sum, x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 the whole square. Please try to do the homework.